from Group 6. We would like to present the title of Bookstore Management System. My name is Nur Amni binti Abdurrahim, and my group's member are Nur Aina Hazwani binti Zaidi, Hanis Nafisa binti Razali, and Nur Mazian binti Mazlan.
Bookstore management system is the online system for the bookstore to record the business transaction happen in their business. Our target user is bookseller, bookstore owner, supplier, and customer. The objective of this project. This bookstore management system is designed to manage important things such as register, new book, and calculating. Using this C++ program can make it easier to enter and store data securely. It can even make it easier for buyer and seller of book. This is because by using a C++ program, the work will be faster.
Project description for Bookstore Management System. Firstly, new book registration. When new books arrive at the bookstore, seller needs to register the books using a C++ program. To register new books, seller must include important things related to each book. For example, enter the code, book title, and price found on each new book. With the registration of books through the C++ program, the work will be faster and reduce the workload of employers in maintaining new books. Secondly, book inquiry. For books inquiry, the seller needs to enter information about the book, such as title of book and book code into the system. That way, it will be easier for employers when customer asks about the books available in the bookstore. Therefore, the work of employer will be easy. This is because employer do not have to look for the books on the bookshelf.
For calculate and display total price of the purchase book. To calculate and display the total of the purchase book, the seller needs to enter the price of each book in the store into the system. By using the system, employers' work will be easier because employers do not have to use calculator to count the books purchased by customers. This is because the purchase calculation has been done automatically by the system. Lastly, for calculate discount and net total. To calculate the discount and the net amount, the seller needs to enter the original price of each book that is in the store and the discount they want to give into the system. Once the system has made a discount on each book automatically, the net amount of the book will be easier available. If the sale and the purchase go smoothly, it will be certified to customer.
Introduction of system. When we compile and run the coding, the system will display to our screen is welcome to Nurul Bookstore. Please select your operation. Have a 3 operation. First, new book registration, book inquiry, and purchase. If you want to purchase a book, use straightforward enter 3.
Option number 1. When there are new books to be registered, employers will just press number 1 for new book registration. After pressing number 1, the system will display the new title of the books. Employers must enter the title of the book to be registered. The next system will also display the book's code and the price of the book you want to be registered. Then, the workers must fill it out. If the employers want to be proceed with the registration of the book, he only needs to press Y. Then the employers will fill in as usual. Well, if the employers does not want to continue, it just press N. Then the system will display the title of the book, code, and price of the book that has been registered just now.
If customer want to make inquiries about books in the bookstore, they need to choose the second option, which is book inquiry. So after enter number 2, the system will list the types of book available in the bookstore with the number of book. So, if customer want to search about cooking books, they need to enter the book's number, which is number 1, and the system will show that the cooking book is in zone A. After that, the system will ask the customer whether to continue or stop the system. If the customer want to continue the system, they need to enter a letter of F, and then the system will repeat the previous thing, which is to list the books available in the bookstore. So the customer can repeat the same thing. If customer want to search for novels, they need to enter number 2, and the system will show that the novel is in zone B. While if customer want to search about textbook and literature, they need to enter number 3, and the system will show that the books is in zone C. Lastly, the system will ask again whether want to continue or stop. If customer want to stop, they need to enter a letter of N, and system will stop.
We need to compile and run the coding, and then the system will display for us this. And then I want to put the option 3, so I need to put number 3 because I want to purchase the book. So 3, enter, and then the system display for us the list of book, and then I want to purchase the cooking book, so I need to enter number 1, then enter, and then I want to buy the book, cooking book. The title is cookies recipe, so I enter A, and then the system asks for and the system asks enter the quantity. So the quantity that I need is 3, and then the system asks, do you want to repeat the order? And I say no, so I need to enter B. Enter, and then the system asks, do you want to continue? And yes, I want to continue. Enter, and then I want to purchase this of book is novel, so I need to enter number 2. Enter, and then the title that I want is impian kasih, so I need to enter D. So system asks to enter the quantity. So that the quantity that I want is just 1. Enter, and then the system asks, do you want to repeat the order? And I said no, so I just put B. And then the system asks, do you want to continue? And yes, I want to continue. Enter, and then list of book that I want to purchase is number 3. So I need to enter. I want to purchase the textbook and literature book. So I need to enter number 3. Enter. And then the title of book that I want to purchase is English language and literature. So I need to enter B. And then the quantity that I want is just 1. Enter. And then the system asked, do you want to repeat the order? And I said no. So I need to put B. Do you, and the system asked, do you want to continue? And I said no. So I just put N, enter, and then the total price that I need to pay is 129.5 ringgit only. All right.